like rawr. I will also be giving away 2 sets of nails that I got. Hi dolls, I am going to be doing my nails, and I got these nails from AliExpress, of course. If you've been following me, you would understand that. I love AliExpress, especially for lashes and other trending items. Well, I'm not sure which ones I'm going to be giving away yet, but I'm going to be giving away 2, so I have a total of 4 giveaways, but only to 2 winners. But you must subscribe and write a comment, put the word enter, and of course hit that notification bell. So these are the nails. Let me see if I can show you dolls. Like sitting down. Sorry, this one. So I'm going to just pick 2. I haven't decided yet which 2 I'm going to give away, but yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and do my nails now, and I will I'll show you guys in a little bit. Hi. This glue I don't actually recommend. So actually this is boring. This is boring, but yep, I'm going to do my nails and I will check right in. Okay dolls, so these are my nails. Like I like them because of the length. Well, that's the one I'm going to keep, and then the ones I decided to give away is going to be these 2. So if again you want to win these, please always subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks so much dolls. Doing a requested video. Thank you so much for the suggestion doll. Now the products, as you know, I've been experimenting with different types of mostly affordable products. Starters, I do take vitamins, hair, skin, and nail gummies. It's Nature's Bounty. You can get it at a drugstore. I ordered this from Amazon, but it's just nutrients for your hair and your nails and your skin. And the other thing that I take is biotin. I got this from Amazon as well. 10,000 milligrams. I always do face masks. I love doing face masks. This is my go-to, the Pure Rose. I love rose products. You can see in that one. But I started my No Make No Life subscription box, and they are always sending me face masks and things like that. But yeah, so I try to do that at least once a week. Let's try the unicorn mask because I'm feeling a little, well, hello. No matter what goes on in life, you must always spend that time to invest in yourself and to take a time out from all your daily responsibility and just relax, you know. So I already did wash my face. So what I use is Dr. C Tuna, the Calendula face wash. Again, it's from Pharmacy. Yeah, this is very affordable. It gives me a nice clean. And it's Calendula face wash. It's for sensitive and dry skin. I like to have a nice clean face because I can get all that dirt and stuff out of there. If I have excess, then I will use like wipes or whatever to get like around my eyes, my under eyes from all the makeup. Do a little shout out to one of my dolls, my very special doll, Draggy Fisher. Draggy sent me this cute little care package from ASOS. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ooh la la. What? BCBG? Oh my goodness. This is way too generous. I love it so much. Look at that. Big wallets. I need big wallets. And I need new wallets. Oh my gosh, it's got all the pockets here for your credit cards. Oh my gosh. Soulmate. And more cards. Oh my goodness. I love BCBG. It's such a classic. Oh my gosh, Draggy. I heart you so much. I love it. Can't wait to wear this. This is perfect for fall, for even winter and New Year's. Ooh. Wow. Oh my gosh, and she sent me this cute little pin. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. It's so different. I would totally sport this. Oh my gosh. What a stylist. Oh my gosh. Love the style of this. So different. This is like something that I wouldn't normally choose for myself, but I love it. I absolutely love it. Bag. And then Draggy for sure also got me this gorgeous like beautiful, like fall through winter mini MAC lipstick. I love much Draggy for sure. I love you so much. Mwah. Face, what I will do is I do have a facial toner, so I've been using Dr. Belmure. This is from the Face Shop, so it's a Korean makeup shop. This one here, I like it because it does not dry me out, so I love that. This one here I actually got at Walmart, so this is the newest thing. Basically uses fruit acids to take off all dead skin cells, so I just kind of like rotate it. After that, recent one, this one here I just got because I just got into Too Faced products, and this one here is Hangover Hydrating, and because it's lightweight, so I can just put this on as well. This is Skin Protecting SPF 25 moisturizer, and it's also formulated to make your makeup better, so it's kind of like a base coat. The other thing that I absolutely love is this eye repair cream. It's so light, and this brand is the CeraVe. So I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Ness helps repair and restore protective skin barrier with ceramides and hyaluronic acid. So this is like, I need this. I don't know. I've just recently got such baggy eyes these days. I don't know. I feel like I'm getting enough sleep, but I don't know. It's just probably age. So after I'm done with toning my face, I always put this rose. It's all beaten up because it's like my go-to product. I love it so much. And I just absolutely love this. Okay, so you can see there's that radiance there. So I like to rub that in really good. And honestly, sometimes I don't use all the products. Sometimes I just go back and forth with certain things depending. Like if I know I'm going to wear makeup, then I put this one on my face directly. This is something new. I read all about the technology, and what it's supposed to do is to actually plump your face. So hopefully it'll help with my like wrinkles, you know, the wrinkles here and things like that. It's supposed to actually firm and everything. So I will definitely be using this. And then this is something that if I know I'm going to be doing makeup or filming or whatever, then this is I love this. This is a Milani Rose Scrub. And I love this because it makes my lips like exfoliated, but kind of like puffy. So I like that because then when I wear my lipstick and stuff, then it looks a lot more filled. So I don't know, some people might not be into that, but I like that a lot. Actually, I'm running out. This is my favorite lip balm. So this is like, it has SPF as well. So this I love because it really moisturizes my lips. And it's really hard for like digging into it. And it's really hard for me to find like a lip balm that could penetrate my dry, chappy lips. So that's pretty much, I mean, like I said, I use them interchangeably. I mean, some days I won't use one thing or a moisturizer or the other. Some days I want to have some extra moisture. It kind of just depends on if I'm going to be like wearing makeup or not. And this is just something else that as I am aging, that I realize my hands is a very important part of maintaining skin beauty, because yeah, I just want to make sure that I take care of this area. So this I got from my No Make No Life box. Love it. This is called Moisture Hand Jelly. So I'm almost out of it. Sad about it, but I'm hoping they'll send me something different at least for the hand lotion. But yes, dolls, so that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night. I just want to say thank you so much. Shout out to Draggy Fisher. I absolutely heart you, and you always put such a smile on my heart, on my face, because whenever I read your comments, you're always keeping me inspired. And so I'm so grateful for this channel. This is the environment and the community where we can all share ideas. This is so much fun for me, and I will talk to you dolls later. Bye dolls! I'm a unicorn.